kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. May lambing na tumutuyan sa buong pakiramdam. Piligin mo ng Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Dito ay itinadhana, araw-buwan at mga tala. Ganap na magniningning, kailan may di magdidilim.
Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, but the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come and shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now it's Angelique, in full bueno on the TV screen.
This is like a samba, coming into Manila with the hip and drums. Yeah, she shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And shut the door, she's Philippines, so with that, the world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, see pieces of heaven.
Piliin